Hello, we are organizing an online workshop for you to join us and practice how to analyze stocks to see if they are good for you to add to your watch list, and then analyze it again, practice analyzing it again to see if it is well positioned for you to buy. And we are reserving 10 seats for us to work together where I can watch you analyzing the stocks and we can work to take turn to analyze stocks for you to create a watch list of 5 stocks at least by the end of the session. So if you are interested, will you please join us? And this first one is free in exchange for your feedback, so that we can gather information, your feedback, to see how we can improve it. And we are organizing it. We'll do it on Wednesday, November 26, 2025 at 9 a.m. Central Time. So if you are interested, will you please join us? And the link is going to be in the description. So thank you so much. And that is the right time for you to start gathering stocks, so that in 2026 you are ready to start swing trading, putting your money to work for you. So it will be a great idea if you already have a brokerage account or a Roth IRA and have a platform where you can analyze stocks. The brokerage account is not necessary for the workshop, but that just means that you are ready. If you find a stock, you are ready to purchase it when is well positioned for you to purchase it, and at the end of the month you will start putting some money in that account to get ready to swing trade. So thank you so much.